The morning routine is a stressful one for many of us. The thought of having to prepare a nutritious breakfast every single day can be overwhelming. But what if I told you there are some simple hacks that could make your mornings less stressful and your kids' lunches healthier? Well, here are 5 nutritious breakfast hacks to try this school year. Number 1. Overnight Oats. Start your day with a nourishing bowl of oats. This fiber-rich grain is a great source of energy and can help keep you feeling full and satisfied all morning long. The prep for this is super easy. Just combine rolled oats, milk, yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits in a jar or container. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and voila! You have a delicious and nutritious breakfast ready to go in the morning. Plus, overnight oats are a fantastic make-ahead meal, so you can prepare them the night before and grab them on your way out the door. They're also very versatile. You can add different toppings each day like nuts, seeds, fruit, or even a drizzle of honey. And for those who are gluten-free, there are also gluten-free oats available. Number 2. Breakfast Burritos. These are a fun and easy breakfast option that can be made ahead of time and reheated in the morning. Simply scramble some eggs with your favorite veggies and cheese, then wrap them up in a whole wheat tortilla. For added protein, you can also include beans or tofu. These burritos can be kept in the freezer for up to 3 months, making them a great option for those busy mornings. Just remember to allow some extra time in the morning to reheat them. And if you're looking to spice things up, try adding a dollop of salsa or a sprinkle of hot sauce. Number 3. Smoothie Bowls. These are a nutrient-dense and refreshing breakfast option that can be customized to your liking. Blend together your favorite fruits, vegetables, and even superfoods like spinach, kale, or avocado. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top with your favorite granola, nuts, or seeds for a crunchy and satisfying texture. Smoothie bowls are a great way to get your daily dose of fruits and vegetables, and they also very customizable. You can add protein powder for an extra boost or use coconut milk for a richer, creamier texture. Number 4. Yogurt Parfaits. Yogurt Parfaits are a delicious and easy breakfast option that can be made in minutes. Layer yogurt, granola, and fruit in a glass or container and repeat until you have a parfait. You can also add other ingredients like nuts, seeds, or honey for extra flavor and nutrients. Yogurt parfaits are a great source of protein and calcium, and they're also very portable. Just grab one from the fridge and you're ready to go. Number 5. Egg Muffins. These are a fantastic make-ahead breakfast option that can be quickly reheated in the morning. Simply whisk together eggs, milk, and your favorite veggies and cheese. Then pour the mixture into a muffin tin and bake. These muffins can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making them a great option for those busy mornings when you don't have time to cook. They're also very versatile. You can add different veggies and cheeses to keep things interesting. And for those who are gluten-free, you can use a gluten-free muffin mix. Healthy breakfast doesn't have to be complicated. With these 5 nutritious breakfast hacks, you can start your day off right without the stress of having to cook a big meal. So try these recipes and let us know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy hacks, meal prep tips, and school-friendly recipes.